This is the elevator in the parking garage of HCA Tomball Houston Hospital. It's a Schindler MP. Guess it takes a while. Four stories, handprint's still there. Lantern is out. Man, but this is dirty though. Look at that. And then you have a view of outside. And let's go back down. This is becoming more and more like a death trap each day. Again, this is a Schindler NT and it's hydraulic. Light just went out. There's outside for floor 1. Well, it's going up again. Let's get us a 360. See the floor indicator again. And lights. Oh, it did do that. Let's go down to floor 2. I get the feeling. I get the feeling something's gonna happen. There, I had to my fingerprints. There's the main hospital there. I do not do hospitals because it's patient privacy, but outbuildings like these are just perfect. Alright, now let's show you something in the back. As you can see, that's where the shaft is. These elevators could have easily been made glass. Alright, catch you in the next video. See ya.